Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to replace lithium ion cell from the old battery pack and replace it with the new ones. The laptop battery that is being dismantled here is of Lenovo Z510, which is a very old model, and finding a replacement battery pack for this is almost very difficult.
And please don't forget to purchase only genuine batteries, because there are already a lot of batteries available like 18650 in brands like Jetfire, GTL, lot of China related things. So these batteries quote as something very exaggerated mAh values around 6000 mAh, 5000 mAh. These are just fake batteries. They are the refurbished batteries. Right now the batteries which you are going to replace is the one comes from the Panasonic. You can see it's NCR18650B. It's a Panasonic 3400 mAh battery, and it's has a very good review. You can buy this on either on Amazon or eBay for $20 each. So we will check out how to replace this Panasonic battery in place of this Samsung. And one more thing, this is a higher mAh battery compared to this Samsung battery, so you will get longer durability and backup. This battery is too easy, because just a few contact cements you can see here, and the charger circuit. Make sure that you don't damage any of these wires while removing this, as maintaining this integrity is a very important thing, because we have to study a circuit how it's connected, so we have to replace the same thing again back here. Opening further, we can see the cell. Here there is a temperature sensor attached. Now let's begin unsoldering. And these batteries are not dead. These are having still alive, and around 1000 mAh it can still deliver. And you can make these power banks out of these single cells. For this you can check other YouTube videos which are available online. So don't throw away these batteries, they are still alive. So this is well around 4 volts. Still not, yeah, this is around 3.78, 4 volts. Yeah, all the batteries are in well condition, and they think this can be further used for your any mini projects. Alternative solution for the metal tabs, as we can't get the original metal tabs, we have solder wick. This you can purchase for $1.5. Yeah guys, this is finally what we have, the 4 stack of batteries after being soldered with the solder wick. We have 5 connecting wires here. This is a very smart charger, and you should not lose this. This is the original from the Lenovo. So don't go for any China batteries. Keep safeguard this circuit, and this will help you a lot in future. I have taken out 3 taps out of in between the battery cells. Now we will roll out this back to the tube form. Finally we are done with the tube, making this tube. We have got fed 4 wires out of in between the battery cells and 2 end tapes. Now we will start connecting it to the charger circuit. The length of the battery cells has exceeded the size of the case, so this will not hold properly. As you can see, this has exceeded. We will cut off one of the ends and we will make it adjust later. finally the battery stack is ready. I have fit the circuit and also the temperature sensor will be here. I had to cut one of the ends just because we are not able to hold it in the case. Now it's finally time to wrap the battery circuit. We have a vinyl cover over here. We'll take a small measurement and wrap it up so that it looks good. Finally, I have connected the refurbished or the repaired battery stack, and I also connected the charger to check whether the laptop is charging this battery or not. And to our success, you can see the LED is charging. Okay, now that's a very good sign. Let's put back all the things and boot up the Windows. And also one important thing is during charging, please touch and check the battery's temperature. In case if you see any heating, just remove it off. It can be dangerous to your battery, or both battery and also to your laptop. So I'm not seeing any heating over here, so the laptop has accepted this one. The battery is now accepted and you can see the Windows is booting. Let's see the battery status. Yeah, it's half charge. Yeah, we'll leave it to charge furthermore, and that's all. Thanks for watching.